Hi everybody, this is Roxy and I have a sponsored video from Clever Fox Planner, and I thought I'd do an unboxing. They are giving away a planner to one of my lucky subscribers. All you have to do is leave a comment below, follow their Instagram account, which is at Clever Fox Planner, no spaces, and you have to be in the U.S. They are limiting it to the U.S. And you have to be one of my subscribers. So the box is really cute and keepable. Ooh, I didn't know this was all gonna come with it, but they have really cool colors. I chose this kind of rosy metallic, or rose gold. So here's some of the stickers. I did just buy some at Dollar Tree. They're gonna use those too. Yeah, just ideas on what you can do. And this is the non-dated weekly planner, and I kind of got that because it starts with the monthly in the front and then the weekly in the back. And I need to have a weekly planner because I need a lot of, space to write stuff. So, and that's kind of fun to, part of the planning is to date everything. And so it's really pretty. I love this color. It's got a little pin holder. Nice quality. Get this off. Oh, I gotta tear it off. No, I don't have to tear it off. Super pretty. They have really pretty colors. And they've got a lot of different styles, sizes. So here's your little cool vision board. That'll be fun. My goals is to not have such a messy planner like I do. I know what a mind map is. Here's the month. So we got a bunch of months. Wow. And here's the weekly. Oh, that's right. There's bullet journaling too. So then you just put in, okay, this is what I like. It starts Monday to Sunday. Because I was having a hard time with my calendar that I made last year because I went Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, and it hosed me all up. Every Tuesday, how did I do it? Oh yeah. Every Tuesday I was doing stuff that I was supposed to do on Monday that I forgot because I thought Monday was Sunday. Because I'm used to having Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. I know I'm confusing you because I was so confused. But this will be good because it's just Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. Instead of how I did it. Anyways. Yeah, I get off on tangents. Sorry. But this is cool. And this I need because I try to scribble everything in one area and then, to have it separated out. That'll be nice. My wins will be that I didn't make a big mess of my week. Just writing it down. So this is going to be cool. And then it'll be fun to do some bullet journaling. Maybe I'll do my Fomemo back here maybe. So that's cool. And they got, nice. That's cool because they showed the ribbons in the pictures are primary colors. And I thought, ooh, I wish the colors of the ribbons matched or went better with this. And so they do. Because I was kind of a little bummed about that, but these are awesome colors. So they do match them for the book. Very nice. So that's my little Fox Planner. I'm going to start a kind of a weekly go through the planner. Oh, another cool thing about this is I could start this today, because you can start wherever you want. And then, like, if you're somebody that doesn't keep that stuff and comes back to it, say you skip a month, big deal. You just write the next month and go to the, week section. So I would just have, like you could have, say your month is here, and then your week, you're at this week, and then you can go back to your bullet journaling, back here. Very cool. It's so pretty, I love it. And I love these colors. Just the ribbon flow. Alright, so I'm getting a phone call as usual. So anyways, be sure to check out the contest rules. And good luck to the happy winner. Bye.